Greetings. I am a representative of the Anti-Sinite movement. These videos are not edited. They are AI assisted and read from script. Today's subject is Sinners Hate Anti-Sinites. As Anti-Sinites, be aware that those who live in sin, make money from sinful behaviors, are angry when you and I are exposed to God's commandments, which free us from sin and their control. When we live as anti-Sinite, fully committed to God's commandments and striving to live a sin-free life, we naturally disrupt the status quo maintained by those who profit from sinful behaviors. These individuals or systems thrive on promoting and normalizing sin because it benefits them, whether financially, societal control, or in other ways. When we reject sin and embrace a life of righteousness, we are no longer susceptible to the sinful influences that once controlled us. This can provoke anger or resistance from those who rely on others' sins for their gain. Our adherence to God's commandments represents a threat to their power and control. They may feel exposed as the light of our righteous life reveals the sinfulness of their actions. In essence, our commitment to living free from sin not only liberates us, but also challenges the foundations of systems built on sin. The anger we encounter is a reaction to this exposure. When people or systems based on sin see you breaking free, they recognize that their hold on you is weakening. They will try to discredit, oppose, or even harm us because our life is a living testimony to the power of God's commandments to free individuals from sin and sin's control. The sinful people have no control over us. It is sin itself that controls us through our voluntary indulgence. By remaining steadfast in our faith and belief and commitment to God's word of law, we continue to challenge these sinful powers and inspire others to seek the same freedom. Our life becomes a beacon of hope and a catalyst for change, encouraging others to break free from the cycle of sin and control. Peace.